Hello guys, we use smartphone Sony Xperia XZ. Start unpacking, open box, device, look him later, and now look complementation. In complementation we have guarantee papers and quick guide. In box, USB Type-C cable and adapter for charging. That's all. Complementation without headphones. Okay. And now talk about the phone. On the front side we have 5.2-inch display, front camera, talk speaker, sensors and LED indicator. On the left side we have slot for 2 nano SIM card or 1 nano SIM card and micro SD card for memory. This is combined slot. On the right side power key and fingerprint scanner, volume keys and camera key. On the back side camera LED, upside headphones jack, downside USB Type-C port. Turn on device. Android version 7.1.1. Display Full HD, IPS. Open Geekbench 4 and talk about system information. CPU Qualcomm Snapdragon 820. GPU Adreno 530. RAM memory 3 GB. Intel memory 64 GB. Look results. CPU test, single core score and multi-core score, and GPU test. Close Geekbench 4 and open Antutu benchmark. Look Antutu score. And now multi-touch test. Device support 10 touches, very good. Close this and open the demanded game GTA San Andreas. Look how GTA San Andreas work on max graphic level. Max graphic level. Start game. GTA San Andreas load and works good. Max graphic level. Game works without lags and glitches. Good gameplay. We can see this. Close GTA San Andreas, open camera, front camera 13 megapixels, main camera 23 megapixels. And now I show you photos on this camera. Let's see this. That's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.